Hey everybody, hi, welcome, and thanks so much for joining me for another unboxing. So excited. The side kicks are around, but I really throw them off when I do any of my videos in a different room. So you can see Zena's bum here. Maybe we'll catch a sight of her, and Wyatt is on the other side of the, oh, now I've disturbed her. Do you want to say hi to everybody before you go? Can you say hi? And Wyatt is actually like on the other side of the camera. Can you tell everybody what today's video is all about? So excited. I have my Easter Decocrated box. Yes! Okay, so if you're new to Decocrated, it is a subscription home decor box. It comes on a seasonal basis, but they also have add-on boxes, and they have them for Christmas, Easter, they have a patriotic one, and they have a Halloween one. Those are, you pre-order them, they're $39.99. They are an add-on to your regular subscription of $79.99 per season, but you can get a discount, and I'll share the discount information with you in just a moment. But so excited. This was definitely an add-on. This is the Easter box. This gets me so in the mood for spring, which I already shared my spring box, which was fabulous. If you guys didn't get a chance to check it out, I'll link it up here above. The spring Decocrated box was wonderful. The pieces were just perfect for a little refresh in your home. Loved them. So I can't wait to see what is in the Easter box. Let's do it. All right. All right, I like what it says, oh my, exciting, open it. That's what it says on the flaps here. You always get a little envelope. This usually has a booklet in it that tells you about the pieces that you've received. And a lot of times there is art by the featured artist. Let's see what we've got. Yep. Isn't this pretty? This, and you can, there was a frame with a little clip. Loved it. Which I have here in this room. I'll show it to you in just a minute if you didn't catch my spring unboxing. But I love that it has the little clip, and you can swap out the art that you show in it. And the art for the Easter box is this pretty flower. And on the other side it says Happy Easter. So you can show this one and then flip it over after Easter and share the flower. Isn't that pretty? And usually in the book it will tell you all about each of the pieces that you get, as well as the featured artist. And there's always the story about Decocrated. So here's the little book. It's pink for Easter. So the featured artist for the spring box was Kim Nebo. So I'm guessing that she also did this Easter design as well. And I grabbed the picture frame. So this was the fun picture frame that came in the spring box. Love it. This is not perfect, and it's wide enough. I actually had it sitting on a table. It's wide enough that it can sit or it can hang, and it has this fun little clip. So this was the artwork that came in the spring box. Isn't that pretty flowers? And the other side, it has a saying. And then you can easily just swap that out for your Easter art. How cute is that? Love. Okay, love that. All right, let's get into the pieces inside here. So they always give you a style sheet and talk a little bit about the colors and why they put it together right here. And this says, it's that time of year where putting all your eggs in one basket is a great idea. Easter is here, and with it comes bright hues of blue and accents of floral pinks. Celebrate by decorating your home with bunny topiaries, lush botanicals, and little eggs for that whimsical Easter-inspired accents. And here you can see are the key themed colors. And the key themes, as they said, are Easter egg hunts and fluffy bunnies. And let's get right into seeing what these pieces look like. Can't wait. I love this box so much. I love bringing a little bit of home decor, changes without making big changes to my home. And these always work so perfectly. And I will try to decorate with these pieces and share at the end, just like I did with the summer box. All right, let's see what this is. And I did mention that I have a discount code for you. So before I forget, I will mention it. There's a limited time 20% offer for the quarterly subscriptions right now. So if you use the code little_box_of_happy, which I'll put down below so you don't have to remember it, you'll get 20% off a quarterly subscription. So it's limited time. Not sure how long it's going to last, but it's good for right now if you want to grab the subscription and get in on spring. And it's not too late to, I believe, grab the Easter box as well. There will be a flash sale coming up here, and you'll be able to grab the Easter box before it's gone. They go really fast, the add-on boxes. Okay. If the 20% off code doesn't work and you still want to sign up, I still have a code for $10 off. That's Little Box of Happy 10. That's the quarterly subscription. If you want to go in for the year, you can use Little Box of Happy 30 and you'll get $30 off if you sign up for the entire year. And it is $79.99 a season. If you do sign up for the entire year, you get a discount, and then this discount would be on top of that discount. All right, but I'll put all that information down below for you. Oh, this is cute. It's a bunny. It's a bunny art. How fun is this? That is so cute. And it's also wide enough that you could set it. And look, it's like the same size as these, so you could actually have these complement each other. That's cute. I love the eyelashes on this bunny. And I like that it's not a lot of color, so you could fit this into any room. How fun is that? Perfect for Easter. Okay, and it says about this particular piece, it says the bunny art. Wish you had your own bunny to celebrate Easter. We're not sending you a real bunny, but our square whitewashed frame features one, and that's just as cute. Add this frame to a nook in your kitchen or a spot in the foyer for a hippity-hoppity seasonal touch. And they have a couple ways that they have it decorated here. Here it looks like maybe on an entryway table. This is from the winter box. This is from the Christmas box, I believe. Here it is decorated with the eggs around it. Look how cute that is. And it also is up here on a shelf. And then they also have it shown here as well. It's so cute. Okay. So I just got everything out of the box so I could show you the next piece, because they're put in there so well that I want to make it a little bit easier for us to undo these pieces. So next up is in this smaller box, which is what I'm making all the noise with. Oh, look at this. It's ceramic. It's a little ceramic bunny. And it has the, can you see the lines through it? It has the edges, both sides. It's a little wider on the bottom. It's a little ceramic bunny. So this says, the ceramic bunny. It says, the ceramic bunny is sure to make a good addition to your coffee table or kitchen island. Don't forget to pair this extra special piece with a succulent or your favorite item from the spring box. So cute. What do you think of this? I think it fits with the decor so well. They show some examples of it with some of the pieces from previous boxes, which I love when they do that. So here it is with using that tiered tray from last summer. Love that. I love that tray. I still have it up actually in my kitchen. And here it is with the little basket, which I think was from winter or fall. So here it looks so cute. Little succulents. And they have it in this one too, with several pieces. So that's winter, and I think that, like I said, that was Christmas. So it's the same picture from before, but with adding the little bunny. So cute. And they do say, style tip, begin a collection of little Easter accents to adorn your main pieces around the house. Oh, here's the little books from spring as well. That's cute. They put the carrots on top. I missed that in the first glance. All right, let's keep going. What is in here? Oh, I think it's a basket. That's what we need. That's the last thing that we need is an Easter basket, right? And it looks like it came with something inside. Oh, is that not adorable? Love that. It's lightweight. It has the wooden handle. I think that is adorable. You guys are getting a good look at that. All right, and this says, they're just calling it the Easter basket. Create your own Easter egg hunt with this metal basket made from matte black metal and displaying a wooden handle. This basket is straight enough to hold all your Easter treats. After the season is over, use this multifunctional beauty to hold seasonal florals all year around. I do like that the matte black finish, so I think that's really nice. You can use this for anything. I even think it would look cute by a fireplace, you know, putting like any kind of decor. It would just go well. I have my fireplaces here off to the side. I think that's why I'm thinking about it, because it has the black around it. So that looks really pretty. I like that. They have it filled with here with florals. That looks really pretty. And then over here, when you walk in near the entryway, that's cute. They have flowers in that one too. And here it looks like they're using it in the kitchen for napkins. All right, and I think this has to be a pillow covering, right? And this looks like a different color. It almost looks lavenderish, light pinky. Oh, and it's soft. Maybe it's more mauve-y, huh? Like a dusty rose. Oh, and there's two of them. Ah, there's two. These are so soft. They have their like almost velvety. So you can see that. They have the lines through it, so this has texture. Love that. I love that there's two of them. The color is perfect. It totally screams Easter to me. I like them here on the bench. I'll show them here on the couch. They say velvet in spring. You know it. Our set of 2 pillows come in a mauve textured velvety fabric, giving your living room the pop of color it might need. And it says create a bunny-tastic 3-tiered extravaganza with our newest addition to the Decocrated shop. That's the style tip. You can see down here. I think that looks really pretty on the little bench here. And that's all my pieces. What did you guys think? Does it get you into the Easter mood? It definitely does for me. Like I'm so ready for Easter, spring, sun. We right now have about 5 inches of snow, I think. So we just feel like we keep shoveling every day more snow. So this brings the happy and joy. So looking forward to finding great spots in my home for these new pieces. All right, guys. Well, thanks so much for spending time with me today. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I love the Decocrated boxes. They do make me happy, and I always have fun finding places in my home for them. I have pieces all over the place. One of my favorites from one of the very first boxes is this fun clock. I've had it in the, it was in the summer box, but I have it out all year round. I love this clock so much. That's just an example, but I actually have pieces of Decocrated items all throughout my home. Love them. I will put all the information for Decocrated down below in case you want to check out the subscription. Keep an eye out for the flash sale for the Easter box. You're going to want to check this one out. I think this is so fun. I will add pictures to the end of this of how I decorated with these items. And I'm so glad you spent time with me today. If you enjoyed it, please do hit that like button. Would love you to hang out for long haul and hit that subscribe button. And if you've already have, thank you, thank you, thank you. Till next time. Bye, everybody.